you work on it? I know that we were going back and forth back there about songs and things. Maybe you might want to, something you might want to work on.
Just tell them? I'll just tell them. Bill Cherry stole my song. I turned it in first, I know I did. I screenshotted my list, and when you screenshot it, it took the top and the bottom song off, so then Bill happened to turn in the same song.
Sweet Home Alabama was the name of the song.
I know. I was going to say, nobody even asked what song.
And that seems wrong.
I know.
I mean, he's from Missouri, for gosh sake. So you should be able to own Sweet
I mean, being here, he should have done Tennessee whiskey or something.
There you go. Hey, you better work on some stuff here.
I'll work on whatever you want. I'd rather work on these people. These guys are okay. They don't need me. Say that again. I should do the song that he stole? Yeah, that's a good idea. Why didn't I think of that? Take this. Just the first verse, and then that's all, okay? Just the first verse, and then we're done. Because we want him to do the whole song. It's my song. Get on it. Go. I left my home and no more Hold on, man.
In this corner, weighing in at parts unknown, Bill Cherry. In this corner, standing pretty freaking tall, from Alabama, David Lee. This is a fight in 3 verses. The title is awarded of Promised Land to the winner. Go.
Is it knives or swords or what are we filing? I'll start it. I left my home in Norfolk, Virginia, California, on my mind. I showed and ran and rolled in the rally and on across Carolina. I had more trouble to turn it into a struggle than we across Alabama. And we didn't have to keep it off, keep this off. Downtown burning man, take it some. Luggage in my hand. We'll go high around the curve, you're gonna jet to the promised land. Working on a team on state, down the Carolina, over to the Golden State. The pilot told us in 13 minutes, you was gonna send the trouble again. Swing low, Jerry, come down, easy, taxi to the front. Hey! Stop. Cool your way, help me make it to the telephone. Los Angeles, here in Norfolk, Virginia, down 149. To the folks back home, this is a promised land calling, and that boy was on the line. Can you do the David Lee look? Yeah, you still ain't coming me out. Now working on the team on the stage, I'm a father, I went the mile of 2 years in the 13 years, you said it's in the 20. The sweet little Bill Cherry coming down easy, said you turn his home. But could you see how he turned his back on you? He don't care about you like I do. Get it, son. I'm just trying to show you my best side. But tell the folks back home, this is a promised land calling, and the Cherry's on the line. Tell the folks back home, this is a promised land calling. This is one of my favorite guys in the world. If anybody was going to blatantly steal a song from me, I guess it should be him.
Do you know what, though? I wish I bought my cowboy boots. How could
well, you ain't from around here, are you, partner?
What? You didn't get that message? You're in Nashville, son.
Earlier he said, don't worry about this endless. I have it all sorted out. And I said, what the heck did you say?
I'm sorry you don't understand what I'm saying.
Well, I do when you talk slow.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's good to see you, Dave.
Same to you. We just say howdy.
Howdy.
Howdy. How you been?
Howdy, I'm good.
How you been?
I'm good.
Good to see you.
I'm not going to run away with it.
Look, we will stay up here all night long if you let us.
I know. Did you have something you wanted to check, or are you good?
I know, I checked everything. Yeah, no, I think we're all good. We good?
Yeah.
We're good.
Does it sound good? Does it sound good to you? Sound good to you?
Thank you, brother.